The UAI Act is now law, and the fines reach up to 35 million euros or 7% of your global revenue. If you build, deploy, or even integrate AI in Europe, you have concrete legal obligations. But here's the problem. Most companies don't know if their AI system is high risk, limited risk, or completely prohibited, and the difference can shut down your business overnight. EU AI Act Library is a complete AI compliance platform that answers these questions in minutes. Built to cover the UAI Act, GDPR, NIS2, DORA, and the applicable standards aligned with each of these regulations. Over 340 articles with practical guidance, cross-regulation correlations, and interactive mind maps. The platform includes a free compliance assessment, a full 7-phase audit wizard, 66 document generators, enterprise controls, and sector-specific packs for 6 industries. Let's start with the free assessment. No account needed. Step 1. You tell us about your company. Your role in the AI value chain, your size, and your location. Step 2. You describe your AI system, the technology type, licensing model, and how much compute power it uses. Step 3. You select where your AI is used: hire and recruitment, education, financial services, healthcare, biometrics, critical infrastructure. Each area has different risk implications. Step 4. We check for prohibited practices under Article 5, subliminal manipulation, social scoring, real-time biometric identification in public spaces. Step 5. We ask about the data your system processes: personal data, sensitive categories, profiling, cross-border transfers. Step 6. Interaction and impact. Does your AI interact directly with people? Does it make decisions that affect individuals? Does it generate synthetic content? Step 7. Existing measures. Do you already have human oversight, logging, technical documentation, a data protection officer? In less than 5 minutes, the platform classifies your AI system: prohibited, high risk, limited risk, minimal risk, or general purpose AI with standard or systemic risk. You get a clear result: your risk classification, the regulations that apply to you, the documents you need, and a concrete action plan. Now, if you need to go deeper, the full compliance audit takes it to the next level. 7 phases. You start by describing your AI system, your role, and your data. The platform supports 7 legal roles: provider, deployer, importer, distributor, authorized representative, product manufacturer, and general-purpose AI provider. It then classifies your risk, identifies your obligations, and maps every document you need to produce. Phase 3 covers data protection, DP, IA, fundamental rights impact assessment, and privacy notices. Phase 4 is technical and operational, system architecture, risk management, human oversight, and monitoring. Phase 5 covers general-purpose AI requirements, Annex 9 documentation, training data summaries, and copyright policy. Phase 6 handles certification, declaration of conformity, worker notification, and U database registration. And Phase 7, your complete document package, generated automatically, personalized with your data. You get a compliance score across 5 dimensions: documentation, transparency, risk management, governance, and data protection. Every gap identified, critical and medium, prioritized with a concrete action plan. Here's the number that matters: 66. That's how many compliance documents the platform can generate for you automatically from a single audit. Technical documentation, quality management system, declaration of conformity, instructions for use, post-market monitoring, human oversight procedures, bias audit, incident response, substantial modification log, agent behavioral monitoring. For financial services, the full DORA pack, ICT risk framework, threat-led penetration testing, and third-party risk management. For critical infrastructure, the NICE-2 pack, cybersecurity policy, supply chain assessment, and phased incident notification. For general purpose, AI providers, full Annex 9 documentation, training summaries, and copyright policy. Each document personalized with your data, compliance mapping, evidence index, cross-references. Real deliverables your auditors can actually use. For enterprise, the dashboard provides 21 compliance controls, evidence tracking, action management, and full audit bundle export. Documents become a living compliance system, always ready when the auditors come knocking. Tested with real scenarios. Medei Diagnostics, 98% compliance score, 12 documents generated. Talent Match Technologies, 95%, 14 documents. These are the kinds of results the platform delivers. A note about responsibility. All documents generated by the platform are structured drafts prepared for internal review. They require validation by qualified legal and compliance professionals before official use or regulatory submission. We give you the framework. Your experts make the final call. So here's the question. Are you going to wait until the auditors knock on your door? Or are you going to know exactly where you stand today? ENUA Act Library. From regulatory chaos to structured compliance. Run your free assessment now and find out where you really stand.